What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and thanks for tuning in to my channel once again. In today's video, we are going to be comparing and contrasting two different types of gels, and both of these gels can be used for our edges to lay our baby hair. So we're just going to take a look at both of them, and I'm going to let you guys know my honest opinion and which one I would recommend you use for your edges, hunty. And y'all already know what I said about edges. It's my drop dead. It's my drop dead favorite part. Nah, and it's not even that it's my favorite part to do. Look at my bun. It's kind of lopsided. Do not mind my bun. But yeah, it's not my favorite part to do. It's just my favorite part to see. Like, I like to see the baby hairs or whatever. So without further ado, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up already, because I'm about to give y'all some tea. Hit that subscribe button as well, and let's get right into the video. Go. Okay, we are going to be comparing these two gels here. You've probably seen them both before, maybe or maybe not, but we are going to take a look at these together and find out all of the pros and all of the cons. So, okay, the first gel we're going to look at is the Creme of Nature Flexible Styling Knot.
What? It's not.
It says that it's for natural hair. It has argan oil from Morocco in it. It says that it smooths hair, controls frizz, tames frizz. I'm sorry, controls your edges and controls frizz. And gives us exotic shine. And it says that it's alcohol free, and it says that it's also flake free. Then the other gel that we are looking at is Gorilla Snot. But this is the Gorilla Snot. This one doesn't say that it's for natural hair. It just says hair gel. It says punk right here. I'm guessing like with this gel, we use it for what we use it for, but also people who do like spiky hair, this holds their hair. You don't have that spiky hard hair with the point. Stuff like this would be perfect for it. I'm looking to see if this one says anything about it being alcohol free or flake free. It doesn't say anything about it being flake free, and it doesn't say anything about it being alcohol free. And actually in the ingredients, it says alcohol. So we're going to see what that difference is all about, right? But first of all, let's compare and contrast the things that we see already without even putting the gels on. First of all, how much is it? How much it go for? What is it for? The Creme of Nature Flexible Styling Knot.
What the snot?
Costs anywhere in between $5 and $6. Compared to the Granilla. Wait, girl, wait. Okay, so I'm about to say it again. I'm done. The Gorilla Snot's price is anywhere in between $2 and $3. So in comparison, already we see that this one is like twice the price of this one. Next, let's compare and contrast how much product is in these bottles. For the Creme of Nature Flexible Styling Snot, there is 8.4 ounces. With the Gorilla Snot, we have a total of 11.9 ounces. So, you mean to tell me that this costs more and got less in it? Oh no, heck no. Now let's take a look at the product. This gonna get a little messy. Let's just look at how this comes out. Look how slow it's coming out. It's so thick. So right off the bat, I see that it's thick. It's not like, it's not to the point where it's like it's, you know, the substance is pretty cool. I'm playing. It's creamy and it smells good. It actually smells like all of the rest of the Creme of Nature products that I have, like my conditioner and shampoo. It smells the same way. So they're using the same exact scent. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, my hands are completely clean, and now we are going to test out the substance of the
OMG, throw the whole video away.
the substance of the Gorilla Snot. Sliding down my finger like a slug. I got the snot on my snot. I mean, the snot on my nose. It smells good. This I don't know why I want to say granilla so much, but this Gorilla Snot smells good. They look the same. This one is more snotty. Like the Creme of Nature was creamier. This one, look at how much stretch it has. Like, it just keeps going forever. Like, this really look like snot. Whoa. I gotta wash my hands. I'll be back. Okay, so the next way that we're going to compare and contrast is by actually using the product on our edges. So let's get right into that part of the video. Okay, you guys, so the moment of truth. I have worn both gels all day long. When I first recorded and you see me putting the gels onto my edges, it was around 9:30 a.m. It is now, let me see, it is now 9:30 at night. So literally all day long, and I'm back with a review to show you what I think about each one. This side was done with the Creme of Nature Flexible Styling Snot, and it was just these three, and I'm feeling them right now. They are rock hard. You know what too? When I used a scarf to tie down my edges, because that's what I'm used to doing, I don't think I even needed to do that. These gels, both of them, dried super fast. So you can tie your hair down with the scarf, but you may not need to. This side is the Gorilla Snot. And I decided to have a little bit of fun with my edges. As you can see, I didn't want to do just a regular traditional edges. They feel the same. However, the Gorilla Snot side feels more dry. Like, it's hard to explain, but it's more dry feeling, and I'm guessing that's because of the alcohol that's in it. It's a dry feeling on this side. This side doesn't feel as dry. Another thing is that I noticed a little bit more shine, of course. With the Creme of Nature side, the baby hairs had a tiny bit more shine, but it wasn't recognizable. Another thing that I did realize is this side has no flaking whatsoever. I don't know if you can see really good, but it has no flaking, and it's been all day long. This side didn't have a lot of flaking, but I noticed a little bit of flaking somewhere around here, and I took a wet towel, like paper towel, and dabbed it, but I still see it a little bit. I don't know if you can. The lighting may keep you from seeing it, but I noticed a little bit of flaking, a little bit. Other than that, There were no major differences. They both dried super fast. They both got the job done. My edges look intact. So if I had to choose which one I would use, because that is the $1 million question. Which one am I going with? Psych! I like this one better. I think that the Creme of Nature Flexible Styling Snot outweighs the Gorilla Snot for me. And I only say that because it is good for your hair, and I'm natural. It doesn't have alcohol in it, which dries up your hair. It's flake free because I don't want to see flakes in my hair. It has argan oil in it, which is good for my hair. It doesn't have all of these things that are also not good for our hair, like sulfates and silicone. And it just overall is better for your hair. And healthy hair is the ultimate goal. We want to look cute, we want to look nice, we want to have good edges, but we have to ensure that the products we are using are good for our hair. It does cost more, so if you are on a budget and need a cheaper solution, get this. I'm still going to use this. I'm still going to use both of these and use them completely up. So I'm not saying not to use this at all. I'm just saying if I had to choose which one was better out of these two, I would go with the Creme of Nature one. But look, they're both amazing. And if you like my hair, it's very, you didn't even see my storm. I'm going to show you a quick look at my hair. Simple in the back too, nothing special at all. But yeah, if you would like to see how I do this, I'm more than happy to do it again. Just let me know by liking this video, and that's how we'll go from there. If this video gets up to 10 likes, I will do this hairstyle in the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said for the millionth time, please give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see me do this hairstyle from beginning to end for you. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Oh, and just so you know, public service announcement, my videos were being posted every Saturday. I'm shifting this to every video being posted on Wednesdays instead of Saturdays. Not a big difference. I'm pretty sure it doesn't shift anybody's world, but I'm going to post my videos on Wednesdays from now on instead of Saturdays. Okay? Thank you guys. I love you guys, and see y'all next time.